V Line says it's still on track for train services to return to Bairnsdale by the end of the month. Test trains are now being run at full speed on the Gippsland line to make sure the track reprofiling work is a success.
Not since late March have trains been running at full speed on the Gippsland line east of Traralgon. V Line started work last week on milling the troublesome tracks that had rusted over and caused some of the level crossing signals to fail. It says the results so far have been perfect.
What we're testing is to make sure that the train is actually communicating with the level crossing protection equipment. So we had issues in the past with inconsistent warning times.
Trains will be tested at each of the 32 level crossings to make sure the reprofiling is giving good contact between the train wheels and the track. V Line says it will analyse and compare the data from similar level crossings between Pakenham and Traralgon.
We run it across a couple times at 50 kilometres an hour just to see if everything's working, and then the last couple of runs have been at full line speed, 100 kilometres an hour, and everything so far has been great.
Next week, V Line will begin to test the level crossings that have been most problematic, particularly at the Myrtlebank and Longford roads. That will give it a better indication of when full services will return.
The plan is that full services right to Bairnsdale will be done by the end of the month, and then Sale we're hoping for a bit earlier than that, so sometime between now and then.
Tom Kelly, Win News.
The federal